Hi friends! In just about 2 weeks, I'm heading back to the Netherlands to the face paint shop to teach some new and exciting classes. So I have one workshop called Advanced Arty Cakes, so we're going to be learning some new techniques, new strokes, focusing on designs that we use every single day and how to use your arty cakes to speed them up to make them look super impressive. And the second workshop I'm teaching is all about airbrush. So I know airbrushing is still new, or many of us have never had the chance to play around with airbrushing, but I have found it to be one of the best investments in my business. We are going to be talking about the differences between top feed guns and a bottom fed gun. We're going to be talking about different paints, alcohol inks versus hybrids versus t-shirt paint, and how to clean them. What's the differences? What do you use? How to use a gun in general. How you can make shirts. How to do realistic airbrush tattoos using Tattoo Pros. How to just embellish your designs using stencils that you might already own. So I invite you to join me for this hands-on, amazing, awesome class about airbrushing. We're gonna have so much fun. There's gonna be lots of different things for you to try, for you to use. We'll show you how to airbrush on the face and the hair, on the arms, how to use it for body painting. So there's so many things you can learn in this amazing class, and it's my first time teaching it in Holland. So I hope you join me. For more information, visit thefacepaintshop.eu, and I look forward to seeing everybody soon. Have a great day.